Yeah, I had the same issue with her. Like fucking Hamilton.
I saw Hamilton. Italy.
Oh, okay.
Nice car.
Thank you.
So 41?
Easy way to tell. 41s.
All the way across the grill, right?
Yeah. Well, no, but they also have the windshield wipers down in the cowling.
Oh, okay.
Everything before that was up in the roof line. Even though the 37, 38s, the body was identical, just the frames were different.
Yeah, they had like the split grill, like 38,
Well,
39?
yeah. The 40s had a split grill.
Oh, okay. So 41 was the first year they went solid.
Yeah, and they made a couple 42s, but that's when the war was happening.
And didn't really. Definitely nice.
Thank you.
What are you running at?
Big block Chevrolet.
Chevrolet, yeah. Blown.
Yeah. Very dependable. Streetable, idles, all that kind of stuff.
The black looks awesome.
Yeah.